Hi guys, hope you're all okay. Today, Glossybox unboxing. So this is, what month are we in? October. October's box. It came Monday. Today is Wednesday and I've only just got around to opening it. Here you go, Gil. Something for him to destroy, and I wanted to jump right in. I knew it was the Angel box because it said on the side, yeah, Angel. So there were, it's like the limited editional special boxes this month, and we could have the blue, which was Angel, and the red, which was Devil or something, or Sinner or something. So yeah, looks like that. Let's have a little look. It's not the weightiest box, but you know, we're gonna give it a chance because not all, you know, it doesn't have to be super heavy to be impressive. Got a little like cloudy marbly effect on there. It's quite pretty. Let's jump in. Gilly is just out of shot shredding that bit of paper I gave him. Ooh. And that's what it looks like. So let's get the little book. Oh, it's Angel and Devil, so they look like that. Like, thing with eyebrows, right? I think this looks really cool, but I could never carry off such a high arch, but I think they're cool. No. So I've got the little list here to tell me prices and things. So the first thing I'm pulling out is actually hot chocolate. So this is an extra treat according to the book. It's a Whittard's luxury white hot chocolate. Lovely. As an extra treat, we've also included an indulgent luxury white chocolate in this month's box, brimming with buttery sweetness. 20 grams worth £2. The full size is 350 grams and that's 8. So hot chocolate for the win. Then, oh, this is pretty. So it's not a quad because there's 9. We've got a little eyeshadow. I don't know if you'd deem, well, I suppose it's more than 4, so you'd call it a palette, wouldn't you? So like a little 9 eyeshadow. You know, someone would argue it's the size of a quad. They've just squeezed a few extra colours in there, but they're very pretty. So this is by Style London, or STY London. A Velvet Touch palette. This is full size. Recommended retail is £15. This luxurious eyeshadow palette features 9 highly pigmented hues in a range of sweet and soft pinks. A single colour onto your lid to create a subtle yet enchanting look, or a layer with different shades for a dazzling multi-dimensional finish. And let's see if we can get into it. I'm going to go for the darkest colour for the swatch because that's normally how it works. Oh, they are pretty. I do like them. So the dark, I'm going to go for this dark, like glittery, metallic burgundy, would you call that? Okay, so much more impressive on the finger than on the swish, but it's okay. It looks, it's very, very shiny. I wouldn't say it's glittery, but there's definitely a shimmer in there. It's pretty, and all the others are lighter than that, so it'd be more of a double dip, I think, to get some colour payoff. But yeah, they look nice. They're very pretty colours. I am very drawn to this darker shade. I've not got massive eyeshadow skills, but it's one of those things, I tend to buy eyeshadow quite a lot. Yeah, I'm just kind of keeping on rubbing it and it's so pretty. I tend to buy eyeshadow a lot and then not a lot happens with it because I don't have the best blending skills. Leah here, she still go by Leah Excel. She's just really started back up doing her YouTube videos. and she's doing a lot more fashion type videos at the moment, like ASOS hauls, that kind of thing. She is amazing at makeup, and I need realistically to go and live with Leah so she can either teach me how to blend or blend eyeshadow for me every day, because she's got real great makeup skills, same as Leisha, who she actually lives in Cornwall. She does YouTube. She used to do YouTube. She's very big on it. I love her Instagram. She is very good at makeup, but she's kind of a makeup artist, so I suppose, you know, at least she's fulfilling her, you know, she's very talented and she does it for a job, so that must be great when you're really good at something and people pay you for it. But I just need someone to teach me how to blend and put eyeshadow on, is basically what I'm saying. The next thing I've picked up, I am so rambly today, sorry guys. The next thing I've picked up is a Lord & Berry crayon lipstick. There we go, it's a very pink. This is full size. Angelic pink. Now I'm already going to tell you this isn't going to ever go on my lips. No. It's just not a colour I would wear. I'm not going to swatch it because I'll probably gift this to one of my nieces because they might, but it's just not for me. Now I have got a very nice red from Lord & Berry. Came in a Glossybox. It's beautiful. It's creamy, but it stays very nice. So as a brand, like it. It's just this shade is a no on me. It would make me look dead. But these bad boys are £15. Next thing I've got, what are you? A Cubella Professional Illuminating Holographic Peel-Off Mask. Yes, mate. Look at the glitter in there. This has got my weekend all over it. This is what I shall be doing at the weekend. John's going away this weekend for business. He's flying Friday morning and he gets back Sunday tea time. So I've got a weekend to do things like this. This is full size, recommended retail, £2.49. I'm hoping it looks sparkly when I put it on. And then I have, oh, what's this? This is Bubble Tea Bath. Sorry if you can hear squeaking. Darwin's got a toy cabbage. This is Angel Dust Foaming Bath Powder. Look at that. I kind of want to smell it, but you might, yeah. But yeah, foaming bath powder, heavenly treat. After a long day, fill your tub with a shimmering halo of foaming bath powder and allow the heavenly scent to soothe your body and mind. That sounds quite fun. So I'm having a glittery face mask and a nice bubbly bath this weekend. Recommended retail £4.99. So that's lovely. And then the last thing is a eye defining crayon liner in black by MCO Beauty. This is full size. Recommended retail £15. So financially we've done pretty well this month. See if I can get in it. And I like it because it feels like the packaging is all recyclable. It's very pink. Oh, I thought it was going to be felt tip, but it's not. It is actually a crayon. So it's quite rare these days that they're crayon and not felt tip. That's quite a good line. How do you smudge? It's quite a solid one. Quite solid. So yes. And that is everything in my box. Not gonna lie, I'm mostly excited by this. I just think glittery face mask, it's fun. There's a Darwin nose. So yes, good box. I'm gonna say I'm going to try my best with that. And obviously this and this and this will all be used. And I say I'm going to gift the lip colour to somebody else, because it's say I know this brand is lovely, but it's just as a shade. That's Darwin. Sorry for Darwin's nose. As a shade for a lip, it's not me. It's just it's a no from me. But that's not anything to do with the box or the brand. It's just the wrong shade. But yeah, right. I'm going to end the video there. I'm going to go and maybe have my hot chocolate. Yes, I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye guys.